Professor N. Surjit Kumar na iba hawkiba ing sok lisangani kunmarigi November da Delhi da phongkiba India's foreign policy haina mington ba Lairik Ashigi Matangda Khanna Neinabagi Thouram amangasi Manipur University Department of Education ki conference hold Pangthokhre Manipur University Department of Education na sinduna Pangthokiba Khanna Neinaba Thouram aduda Manipur University Vice Chancellor Professor Thouram Lokendra Manipur University School of Education ki Dean Professor Premlata Maisnam amadi Manipur University Research and Development Cell Director Professor Ibohal Meidei Thouram gi maru oiba mitunglen oina sargyaduna Dhanamajuri University Department of Political Science ki Assistant Professor Dr. M.D. Farizuddin Lairik adu review tauki Khanna Neinaba aduga mari lenena Lairik asibu iriba Amarkantak Madhyad da leiba Indira Gandhi Travel University Department of Political Science ki Professor N. Surjit Kumar na phongdurakpada Lairik asi India ki policy asi kaya maru oi haibadu khanghanaba chai kunrom da thengnarakpa kaya adu yengduna puthokpani hari
Sige Lairik se aina November 2024 da Lairik se hana release tawjakre ko akoi hana gi External Affairs Minister Dr. R.K. Ranjan release tawkhre New Delhi da aduga ngasi gisna koi book discussions na koi Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Honorable Professor N. Lokendra Singh yaure ko chief guest hoina aduga koi Dean School of Education ki Professor Premlata Masnam yaujare ko aduga koi gi Professor Ibhol Maitai ma sinai koi gi guest of honor oina yaubne ada maru oina sigi foreign policy si matangda Manipur University ki lairibe scholars sing chatra sing si matang da koi amtang di explore tawraga foreign policy sida kamaina maru oiba important kano ama lake habda mayam dang tang di idea ama thamjani book discussions tawjaba